Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's Christmas! Merry Christmas! And I look more like a human today because I put on some makeup. I'm actually honestly pretty scared of, using makeup on my eyes. Kaya I stayed on my face and my brows. Yun lang. So for today, we're gonna go pick up Mark because we're gonna have a family dinner or family brunch with his family today. Tama ba yung sentence ko? Medyo nalito ako dun. So, yun. We're gonna go! It's been so long since I last, since I've last seen Mark. So, sobrang tagal namin din nakita. It doesn't feel like Christmas though. Ewan ko. Feel ko lang kasi pag tumatanda ka, lalo mong hindi na-feel yung Christmas. I think, yun yung... That's why. Have to get gas, pero later na lang pag nakuha na natin si Mark. Actually, we wanted to reserve like, the seats beforehand, but Vikings is already fully booked. Fully booked, parang hotel. Fully booked. So, baka kami, it's either, walk-in lang sa what do you call that, Vikings or La Fiesta. La Fiesta is right across naman sa kabilang dulo siya. I want to say thanks pala to all the people who commented in my latest video titled My Real Age. Ganun talaga. Siguro mas mukha kang tumatanda kapag sabi ng iba pag tumataba na mas mukhang matanda. The thing is, I don't wanna pretend. Ayoko naman everyday made up ako for you. Ewan ko kasi hindi ako hindi ko kayang everyday naka-made up. There are also times na I feel na black lang, kaya pambahay outfit and all that. Colors. Okay, where's Mark? Ayan na si Mark. He's looking handsome. I prepared a gift for him. Magulat siya.
Ikaw na ba mag-drive?
Akala?
Ha?
Wapa! Bumay pa!
Hindi
Christmas. Isa lang makeup ko, B. Sobrang simple. May gift ako sa'yo.
Talaga?
Hindi, tiga mo. Simple lang, tiga mo. Sa likod, B.
Ako wala. Paano ba yan?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi! Buksan mo muna buo. Kailangan mo basahin yung letter. Kailangan mo basahin yung letter.
Ba't dalawa?
Well, may dala ka lang. May dala siyang itak, Clerks.
GC.
Ang bilis mo magbasa?
Magkano ba yun sa
Kuya, 1.5. Napakan ko yun?
Hindi, may naipit na ipis.
Ibis?
Yung gulong mo.
Napakan ko.
Hindi.
Oops. You like my shoes? Hindi na ako, bagong taon na hindi na ako magsinelas.
Pumikit ka. Basta!
Saan mo tinago?
Wala, pumikit.
Oh my God, engagement!
Ay, pumikit ka. Dali, pikit.
Ano yun?
Hindi pwede.
Game? Ano yan?
Alisin mo yung buhok mo,
Necklace? Malamang. Hindi ko makikita. Oh, cute! Star!
Maganda?
Oo, saan mo binili?
Ito.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, B. Bagay silang dalawa? No, thank you. What's that? Earrings? Kaya pala natago mo. Ang cute, B. So we're expecting a lot of people here sa Viking kasi nga Christmas Day. Yun nga. Kaya we got here early. Tapos yung family ni Mark, sinundo si Tita Vivian sa airport. So mauna kami magre-reserve. Oh, someone's calling. It's your mom.
we will assist you on your respective tables. And for those guests who drop by as early as 9 a.m. onwards, kindly check on our queuing.
So we are number 31 on the list. Ang dami-dami tao. Actually, madami na yung naghihintay right now.
Kami dati na din say, number 40 plus
Tapos yun, nag-start ng 0, 1, 2, 3.
birthday ko yun, January 4.
Pamili.
Tuloy-tuloy yung tawag. 28 na, 31 kami. We're gonna start! Dami sushi. Saka magsa-start, B. First plate, I have some sushi, tempura, rice, and some spicy eggplant. I'm starting small. O, diba?
Ako rin.
Din. Small din. Small? Ano ba small? Spicy, tabi ko naman isa ha. What yung drink? Super spicy daw ata. We have soha here. Ooh, pomelo salad. Sarap yan. I got some Virginia ham. Yummy. Sika may mga beef tenderloin.
Red? Hindi mo kumainin.
Candy cake. It's time for dessert. And I'm here at the Puto Bumbong Station. Bongga. Galing. Order naman dalawa. Puto Bumbong.
Ha?
Kami mga tagawin.
Kaya?
Uwi na muna.
We're done eating. Super sarap. Pero medyo weird. Hindi ko na feel yung busog. Feel ko dahil sa gamot na iniinom ko. Ang kita aso! Oh, yung baby! We're on our way to SNR Makapagal. I've never been to SNR. Sila lang. Nakapunta na sila sa SNR.
Bios?
Let's check it out. Ang daming tao sa... Ano ba yan? Anong tawag din sa lugar na yan? Basta MOA. MOA na ano?
MOA Park.
MOA Park. MOA. Ay naku. Oh my God. Daming tao sa MOA. Wag na lang. Kasi ano yan? Showing ngayon ng MMFF. Anong kasi panoorin ng MMFF? Manonood ba kayo?
Kami bukas. Ay, bukas daw manunod sila. Private.
Ay, gusto ko rin ng Private Benjamin. Ay, shucks! Private Benjamin. Jerome, ito yung City of Dreams. Hayat. Ayan, bongga. Likod yata yan. Anyway, SNR is closed, so... Uy na kami. Hatid muna ka ni Mark. Thank you, B! Andun na yung family niya. Iniwan na siya. Ayan. City of Dreams. Super excited to see Jerome again this January. Sayang hindi ka makapunta din. Hi ka na lang kay Jerome. Yan. We're gonna go out with Bea and Joyce. And Jerome. Marcus taught me something about this. Pag ganito Pag ganito daytime. Tapos pag ganyan, nighttime. Bongga! Madami siyang tututunan sa Toyota. We're gonna say bye to Mark. We're gonna spend time together again after 4 days. Wait lang. What's that? December 29. Bye, baby.
Bye.
Still have to pick something up from Lucky Chinatown. Although di ko sure kung traffic na naman today. Parang nagsilabas yung mga tao eh. Kasi kanina maaga wala masyadong tao. Well, it's Christmas Day. A lot of kids are out. Dahil na sa mga parks.